Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to take Trello data backup. How to take Trello data backup. Now, now we have to come to our Trello workspace and just tap on any of your workspace. And once you do that, you will find this three dots option here, which is a menu option of your workspace. Typing So we're just tapping on that, and as I have the menu from here, if you scroll down, you will find print, export, and share option. As you know, we are backing up our data today, and this is for one of the boards that I've created, one of the boards that I have created earlier. So just click on print, export, and share. You will have the link to this board, and if you just copy it and save it, you can have this URL to edit this board, and all of your workspace members can also see this URL. Now you can export this as a CSV, or you can export this as a JSON. So JSON basically is a code, and it's a standard open file format. And the third option is you can show the QR code from here. If you scan the QR code, you will have the access to this specific board. Now CSV is an Excel format, so we're just going to tap on export as CSV. And as you can see, I have downloaded this, and let's open our file from here. And you can see all of my cards, checklist, and everything is recorded in the Excel sheet. That's how you can easily back up your data from any workspace on Trello. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next tutorial.